to Dinoland. Tapos tomorrow, mag-Zootopia kami. Tapos pupunta tayo sa mga parks doon, kakain sa Pampanga. So, stay tuned and follow us for more sa mga susunod na vlogs. Ay, ganda ng bundok. Bibili si Daddy ng gulay. Dito na tayo sa Clark City.
We're going to Dinoland.
Yes, we're going to Dinoland. Ang ganda ng environment dito sa Clark Freeport Zone. Excited na ako. 4 days kami dito, guys. I-feel namin kung anong feeling nakatira sa Clark Freeport Zone. Tara, tara. Saya-saya, walang pa-traffic. First stop, McDo. Ang ganda naman ng McDo dito, parang nasa ibang bansa, no?
Yeah, ang ganda.
Yung feeling dito, guys, parang nasa ibang bansa. Sabi nila, Dubai feels daw ang Clark Freeport.
Did it have a playground?
May playground doon. May playground na malapit. Malapit na kami sa parade grounds. Yung aming, Airbnb. Share ko na lang, itutur ko na nga lang kayo doon.
Coffee original na large.
I can have chicken burgers.
Tapos isang isang cheeseburger with fries.
Ito ba yung papasok ng Dino Island?
Nope.
Saan ba yung Dinosaur Island? Hindi ko alam eh. Guys, medyo nakakalito yung papunta sa Dinosaur Island. Ito yung main road, tapos may matadaanan kayo na ganyang road. Medyo na-confuse kami, akala namin, naliligaw kami, pero may guard, tapos nagtanong kami. Yun, dito yung papasok sa Dinosaur Island. Ayan. Dinosaur Island feel.
Ito yata yun eh.
Pili ko yan na entrance siguro.
Yeah, let's go.
Ay, wala.
Hindi, meron pa.
Meron pa. Ano namin tong Clarkland? Yan ata yun. Ano ba yan? Pinahirapan lang namin sarili. Ay, oo nga.
Yan na nga, yung Dinosaur Island.
Sabi ko, dahil palang dito na may Clarkland pa.
That way.
Oh, so mali yung tinuro ng map. Pag nakita nyo na yung malaking Clarkland, yun na yun. Kumana na kayo doon. Huwag nyo na sundan yung maps. Kasi ang laki niya. Part lang siguro yung Dinosaur Island.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I want to go to Dinosaur Playground.
Oh, what did you find?
A leaf.
A leaf. You find it falling from the
Trees.
trees.
I see leaf on the tree.
Yes. Prepare lang kami, guys.
Here.
Tapos, yun. Hanggang mamaya na tayo doon sa loob
stay
ng
right
Clark.
here.
Nag-book pala ako via Klook. Ayun. Nilink ko na lang dyan. So, umabot din ng 2,000. Tatlo kami. Libre sa Elias. Dinosaur Island entrance pa. Oh. Eh, ganyan lang naman yung gustong gawin. Hi! To the vlog, Yayang. Where are you going?
I'm just
Yang
I'm playing.
Uy! Hala! Nagtumina! Elias, let's go na. Oh, go kay Daddy. Ilaria, tama na yan. Nadala lang kami isang stroller. May mga snacks. Tapos, ito, bag. Let's go to the ticket booth. Mag-redeem na kami ng Klook. Ito pa yung price nila dito. 5 attractions. Ay, magre-redeem po ng Klook. Dito po ba? Ito yung mga prices, guys. Pwede rin pa kayo mag-rent ng gazebo. May mga kainan. Gusto niyo yung ticket booth para i-redeem. Yes! Saan daw? Dito daw? Ay, free pa si Eyas! Free pa!
I'm free.
Hindi ka na free. Sa entrance na isusuot yung ticket. Ayan, let's go. Free pa si Elias. Thank you, kuya.
Hi, baby.
Go na.
Kita
Go, kuya.
Your turn na.
I love dinosaurs.
Yay. Oh, give stop si ate.
Thank you. Wow! Dami kainan dito, guys. Oh. Lawak pala niya, no? Wow! Teles, ginigig eh. So, saan tayo una magsisimula? Wow! Dali, take a picture. 1, 2, 3, cheese! Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, cheese! Elias! Wow! Dinosaur! Amazing dinosaur! Can you read that? Ride. Oh, there's a telephone. Can you call the missing dinosaur?
Yeah.
Find the missing dinosaur.
Hey, yes.
Elias, get inside the telephone.
Hello?
Hello, have you seen this dinosaur?
This dinosaur?
Wanted, dead or alive? Dead or alive, the dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Kami harap na lang ng bato para mas maganda.
Sige, ito naman na lang kami. Natakot ka sa dinosaur? Dinosaur! Uy, yan pa lang tayo Dito ate, mamaya na yan. Wow, what's that, Yaya? Yeah, what's that? You want to take... it's moving! What's the name of the dinosaur? Apatosaurus.
Apatosaurus.
Late Jurassic 150 million years ago.
Oh.
It's so big. It has 21 to 26 meters.
Bigger than me.
How does it look like? Bigger than you?
This.
Wow, it's moving, oh.
It's alive.
Yeah.
Dino Train. May sounds pala siya, no? Si Elias, okay na. Boss eh.
Napagod siya. Nayantok. Ayaw na maglakad.
Mahaba kaya itong trail na to. Nakakailang ano na tayo. Nakaka-isang oras na kami outside.
Oh, who's this?
Stegosaurus crossing! Be careful, Yayang! Be careful!
Parang lizard
No,
pala.
it's not real.
Parasaurolophus.
Ito, yung malaki oh.
Crested lizard. It's a lizard. What can you see?
This.
It's a lizard. You want to take a picture with the lizard?
No.
No? I'll take a picture of you there. Don't be scared. It's not really. It's like a dinosaur bone, no?
Ayaw mo nun? Ayaw ni Elias.
What's that? It's like a dinosaur bone. That's how a dinosaur bone looks like. What happened to the dinosaur?
Tingnan mo.
Ay, may nag-eat sa kanya. Look at that. Let's inspect. Let's inspect. Someone ate him. Look here. Look, the ribs. Who ate the dinosaur, do you think? Who do you think ate the dinosaur? Oh, there's another dinosaur.
No.
Stegosaurus. Ito na si Stegosaurus. It's a danger. Why do you don't want to get near?
Because when you just get near that, you will just get sting.
Oh, you'll get sting. The 10,000 volts. What's that, Yaya? It's Brachiosaurus, an armed lizard. The egg is hatching. There are baby dinosaurs. Baby dinosaurs. What does it say? No trespassing. Why do you think there's no trespassing? There's an oil. Oil. Oh, let's take a picture here with Daddy. Green. Yes, saan punta? Yes. Ay, gusto talaga niya lakad. Oh, ikaw na lang mag-put. Oh, you take care of the earth.
Ay, ganun kasi alam niya nandun yung pag...
Oh,
Alam sa ilis mo paraan yun.
food trip. Ah, kaya pala. Alam niya yung trail, in fairness, ha? Alam niya din yung
Sabi
food.
niya, nakakapagod. Hindi yung init.
Ano? Time in nature.
Hindi nakakapagod yung init.
Oo. Pero feeling ko maikli lang siya. Ayun nako, there's a bat, oh.
Tayo, picture tayo.
May mag-family picture naman na tayo. Beware, Tyrannosaurus Rex ahead! You want to see T-Rex? Oh, let's go. Sakto lang yung init, guys. Oh, T-Rex encounter! T-Rex encounter! Pwede naman kumain muna bago tayo mag-set yung cinema eh. Beware or you'll get eaten by the dinosaur. Oh, it's T-Rex! Ayan! T-Rex! Ah, ayan.
Thumbs up po. Isang. Dinosaur po sa mga talaga.
You don't like to admit that you're scared?
Yeah.
Are you scared of T-Rex?
Yeah.
But did you have fun?
No.
No! Look, oh.
Dinosaurus.
That's just shiny.
Parang, oh wow. Triceratops. Oo, parang totoo.
Dig and discover.
Ay wow, dyan na maglalaro si Elias. Oh, wow, nagusto ni Eyayang. Ito mga gusto nila, guys. Wow! Yan ang gusto ni Eyas. Walang buhusan na. Oh, ito ang gusto ni Eyas. Magbubuhangin. Pag may mga maliliit kayong bata, ito yung ma-enjoy nila.
Dig and discover.
That! Dinosaur. What did you discover? Is that a dinosaur? Bones! How about Elias? Elias, what did you discover? Ay, sensory play na naman si Elias. What did you discover?
This.
What color is that?
Gray.
Ay! Ang lagkit, guys. Ayan na yung surroundings.
I'm gonna
Mag-ano kayo?
castle.
Yung damit ng mga bata, dapat medyo, pang mainit. Hindi naman super init. Kasi, grabe yung vegetation. Ayan, no, Daddy? Parang ka nasa forest din. At ito yung pinaka na-enjoy na activity nila, guys. Sensory play pa rin. Lalo sa Elias. Mukhang tatagal kami dito. Enjoy, Elias, boy! May mga kagat-kagat na rin si Elias. Sige. Dito sa dulo is may kainan. Ayan. Ayan, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Ayan sa dulo.
There's dinosaur eggs.
Ginutom din. Ah, pero hindi ito yung sa entrance no? Iba to. Ayan May mga fries. Puntahan natin. Ayan, may mga fries. Yeah, wait for mama. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ang sarap dito Ang lamig. Ako will watch. Oh, you're brave, Ate Haya, ha? Ayan na, ayan. Alam, tapang na ayan.
Ano yung mga yan? Sabi yung bahay. Yan na. Yan.
Hoy! Bago! Yan sa'yo? Natatakot si Yaya! Ala ko, cute na dinosaur!
Kailangan na siya.
Eh na, takot ikaw sa Dino? Hindi! So fun, Dino! So fun! Si ate. Sabi niya Dino daw, Dino.
Mata, ano ka dyan? Mamaya na. Tapos na tayo dyan. Dito tayo sa
Ay, dito
cinema.
tayo in the cinema.
Wala, kakita ka na natin.
Kailangan, no?
Kailangan mo ba?
Oo, hawakan mo na lang. Oh, where it? Yeah, show me your face. Wow! Ah, dito na. Oh, dyan tayo. Sarapan tayo. Ah, sige. Yang. Excited. Hindi ka siyang seatbelt sa akin din. Iwan na lang natin po dito. Iwan na lang po dito.
Number 4.
I want to go here. Can I go in front?
Number 4. First start.
Cheese, yeah. I'll take a picture of you. Whoa! So dark! We're inside the van now. How was the experience? Ay, gulat ako! Danger zone, danger zone. Danger zone. Oh, there's monkeys, oh. Oh, there's a dinosaur.
Oh, there's a tip. Oh,
There's a dead dinosaur.
Car.
It's a car. No one is in there. It's trapped in here. Oh my god, danger zone, danger zone. Danger zone?
Yeah, it's a danger zone.
Dinosaur Island. Oh, sa tip.
Walang nakakagulat dito ha, na bibitawan ko yung camera. Nakakagulat ka naman, B! Wala, be brave, because we're in the danger zone. We're in the danger zone. Are you brave?
Yeah.
We can do this, right? We can survive this.
Yeah.
Ang ganun. Kahit hindi sila totoo, takot-takot. Want to see what's inside the Lost Island?
Danger.
Ano ka ba, B? Nakakagulat, Sisi. Effort sa pag-ilag.
Get us out. Is this the entrance?
It's the exit na. Thank you.
Grueling.
Ha?
Grueling experience.
Kaya yan na ang puso, guys. Bawal sa may ano. Ayun na, Wonders of the World na. Parang museum nanto. Wow, look at this. These are the 7 wonders of the world. You know this? You know this in Egypt, right? Pyramid.
You need.
Can you tell a story about
Yesterday, I just played rain.
What do you know about the pyramid? The ancient Egypt?
Then we go back to Egypt. that's where the mummies go.
Ay, the mummies under. So they buried their, ano tawag yung Pharaoh. Oh, their king, Pharaoh. They buried the mummies under, right? The ancient Egypt.
Yeah. Do you remember this one?
This one, it's Machu Picchu.
Yeah.
What's this name place? Machu Picchu.
Me too.
Picchu. Machu Picchu.
That's the scary monster.
It's a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Dito kami nakatira nun eh.
It's a big one.
Dito kami nakatira niyan.
Saan yung bahay nyo? Dito.
Dito.
Ay, ito. Sa tabi ng puno.
Kita.
Alam niyo yung, ito, this one. Saan nga to? Anong lugar to?
India yata yun eh.
Oo, parang India. It's where the Roman Empire?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you know about it?
I know about the vampires.
There's vampires inside. No, that's gladiators. They fight inside the arena.
Why?
Because the kings wanted some entertainment. So they have fighters and the people watch them inside the Colosseum in Italy. Roman Empire. Here. What's this? It's yung sa bridge sa China to, di ba?
Oh, Great Wall of China.
Great Wall of China. It's a Great Wall of China. So they get protected from the enemies.
Oh, enemy.
Naarawan din guys sa wakas.
So, Petra. Ang ganda naman ano. Wow.
Ay, ang ganda oh.
Petra.
Parang Petra in Jordan. This is in Jordan yang. New wonders of the world. Let's read.
You wonders of the world.
Petra.
What?
Established possibly as early as 312 BE. Turkey pala to.
Oo, dito kami nagtatago dati ng mga tropa ko. Yan, tago-tagoan kami.
Tagu-taguan,
Dito.
maliwanag ang buwan.
Ang high density kami dyan. Mas minsan umakad din ako doon baga gusto magpahangin.
Mausoleo at Halicarnassus in Turkey. Great Pyramid of Giza, Cairo, Egypt.
Where's the mummies?
The mummy, oh.
The mummies.
Inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
What happened to the mummies?
Oh, they're not real one.
Second. And then yung third.
Yes, I like this but the best.
And then yung dinosaur pose.
Yes! Ito yung nakatingin sa areas. Guys, grabe, 3 hours lang yun. 3 hours lang yung total outside time natin. May papagod na pagod ka na. Grabe, 3 hours lang, guys. Punta pa kami in Seclande, so update ko kayo. Good luck sa magwa 1,000 hours. Ayan, may mga merienda dito pero mahal. Ayan. Tapos, pinaglalaro lang namin sila dito habang nagpapahinga. It's hot.
Yeah.
Ayan o. Wala lang. May mga sounds din. Grabe yung sounds. Guys, jungle talaga yung area. Grabe. No, Daddy? Nangangati-ngati na kami. Narinig niyo yun? Nature sound yun. Grabe. Kasi nasa jungle talaga. Hindi siya yung artificial na jungle. Ang galing. Tapos harang totoo rin yung mga dinosaur. Takot kami. Takot siya yun. Anyway. Ayan yung mga ganap dito. Oh. Sa Insectland. Hindi siya totoo mga insect. Pagod na. May mga tunog yung mga insect dito. Yun. Kung gusto nyo mag-forest bathing, ay nako. Okay dito. Tapos nag-enjoy pa yung mga kids. What's that? Ladybug! That's your favorite! Let's check the butterfly. Cockroach, oh. Ayan, oh.
Buhay yan? Preserve. Okay.
Beetle. Ayan, oh. Preserve na rin ata ito, eh. It's a beetle.
Yan sa dulo.
Ladybug dito.